What's up, guys? So we're gonna check out the new Savage 550 Stevens. Now, I used to not like over and unders until I got into competitive shooting and doing trap and skeet or whatnot. My daughter loves over and unders. This one's a good one to start out for the youth. Ships in 3 pieces. 20 gauge over and under. Smooth bore barrel. Foregrip. And receiver buttstock. I've always loved the basics of Savage, just simple, easy to put together. Alright, so you take your receiver, get your barrel. There we go. Pops right in. You got your foregrip. Got that little switch there. Push it up. Pop it. All set. Not bad. Looks like it comes with... Got a bunch of different chokes, choke wrench, warranty info, and of course, you know, safety latch. And common latch, loader up. One issue that there is, I noticed, is it sticks a little too much for an over and under. But other than that, the trigger pull on it, you know, less pressure. It's got a pretty good trigger, so you can quick tap when you're shooting. The weight's not bad. 20 gauge, you know, there's not really a whole lot of recoil, but you know, just cheap. I don't know, $700 shotgun, not too bad, over and under. It's not a Browning Satori or anything like that, but, you know, the Stevens 555 is not a bad shotgun. I recommend it.